And here we go with 5 p.m. plumbing adventures. We got water bubbling under a trailer, and everything's backing up in their showers and wash machine and stuff like that. So, stay tuned. Oof. I got a feeling this is about to get messy. Alright, here we go. Oh my goodness. No! No! Gah! Oh man. Okay. We're just gonna let that drain for a second. Let me dump off my pad here. Let's see if I can. Oh my goodness. I want to take it off so bad, but I have nowhere to go. Okay. Alright, round two. Man, it got me. No. Alright, time to get the sewer machine. Man, they must have left the wash machine on in there or something. Oof. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Retreat, retreat. What in the world? Oof. Almost looks like I can see it clone right there. Yep, there's a plug right there. Bam. Let me set up my sewer camera, my sewer machine. It's clogged on that. It's clogged on that left side too. Okay, I see. I see what I need to do. I hope y'all can see right there. Let's see. fucking kidding me. Get down there. Oh, lovely. Oh. Mm-hmm. Very nice. Alright. I think I've had enough fun in there. Let's see if water will go down the drain now. Alright, I got water running in there, and it doesn't seem to be overflowing. For all those that's going to say something about that tea, yes, I know, it's not supposed to be like that, but it is what it is. It's service, you know. But, if you liked, subscribe and follow. I'll see you next time. Thank you.